So here, yet again, we have some singular subjects. Alright? So these are all singular subjects. What are the subjects? Reading books. Here. Reading. Reading is a subject actually. Reading is a noun in this case. Is of the form verb 4. Right? Reading. It's a noun. It's not a verb here. It's not a verb here. Be very, very careful. It's used as a subject. Podnu. To explore is a subject. To plus something. To eat, to explore, to play, to think. These are all singular subjects. To plus, if you add verb, it becomes a subject. It becomes a noun. Or you can say it's a subject actually. It acts like a noun. It acts like a noun. 6 weeks is a singular noun. Singular subject. 6 weeks. Even though it is 6 weeks, it is a singular subject. It comes as a group, 6 weeks together. You see, it becomes one. It becomes one. It acts as a unit. It acts as a unit. That's why we call it singular. Similarly, 10 kilometers is also a unit. It is one. 10 kilometers is understood to be as one. So that's why it's also singular. And then 10 minus 4, if you use arithmetic calculations and so on, minus, times, all of that, they also are singular nouns. Okay, like minus, times, 5 kilos, again the same thing, right? These are all singular nouns. These are all singular nouns. Because you are understanding it as one unit, as one thing. Are you paying attention or not? What did I say? We are understanding them as one unit. 10 kilometers. We are not separating 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers. We are understanding 10 kilometers to be one thing, one unit. Okay? Alright? So that's the reason why they are considered to be similar subjects. So, reading books develops creativity. Which one?
Develops.
What's the correct?
Develops.
Develops, because that's the singular form of the verb. Develop. Of the verb develop, right? Develops is the singular form of the verb develop. To explore the world. Tire. To make someone tired. To tire someone. Tire. Thakaunu. Nobody. It tires no one or tire no one? Tire or tires? Tell me. Tires no one. Singular. 6 weeks holiday. Beaver. You have to use some form of beaver. 6 weeks holiday. Be too short? No. What are the different forms of the verb be? Is, am, are, was, were. What's the correct form? 6 weeks holiday? No. This is singular or is? Singular, so is. Similar, 10 kilometers. Require or requires? Requires. Singular. Similarly, 10 minus 4 gives. Actually, generally in English we say 10 minus 4 is or something like that. Is 6, okay? But you can say gives 6 also. It's okay. Gives. Singular, right? Gives. Singular. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 means 2 multiplied by 4. Is. Or are? Is. 5 kilos of potato. Again, the same case like here. Same case as here, you see these two cases.
Makes.
Makes or make?
Makes.
Because this is
Singular.
Singular.
okay. So keep practicing. 10 kilometers, 5 kilos, reading when there is a subject of the form gerund, ing, verb form, we use singular. For example, sitting in meditation is a good exercise, right? Similarly, walking in the morning is, right? Or walking in the morning makes us fresh. Sleeping on time is good for health. Reading a page every day makes us smart. Looking or watching English films improve or improves? Improves our English. Right? Doing yoga every morning give me a verb. Is beneficial. Can there be another verb? Doing yoga every morning makes our body flexible. Hey, Roshan. मतलब छैन कुनै चीजको मतलबै छैन के पढ्दै छु जान्नुपर्ने जरुरी छ जस्तो लाग्दैन त्यसै त मलाई So similarly, to explore, we can take another sentence. To sleep during the class. To sleep during the class is not a good idea. To sleep in the class makes us lazy. Right? Yeah. To work hard is the way of life. So, with that we finish this class.